Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the exact contour floor liners from Husky Liner and the Ram 1500 Keys to Ride truck. These floor liners are custom fit to ensure you're getting the perfect fit for your truck or vehicle. Rather than stock carpet liners, you're getting a durable and reliable liner with exact contour. They're made from a rubberized DuraGrip material for that perfect balance of strength and softness. Plus, it doesn't crack under extreme temperatures, and it's resistant to damage caused from spilled drinks, chemicals, rain, snow, mud, and more. Husky Liner's exact contour floor liners have a patented form-fit edge which keeps everything off your vehicle's carpet so you don't have to worry about ruining your interior. Spilled coffee, no worries. Exact contour floor liners can easily be removed and cleaned. Stay-put nibs also hold each mat in place to prevent shifting without the need for additional fasteners. Installing these liners is easy, so we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes. The exact contour floor liners from Husky Liners are made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase exact contour floor liners, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below because we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.